If you take a look up under this threshold here, you might be able to see there's a track right here where I want this board to sit. And the reason for that is because when you are stepping on here, I don't want any flex here. It'll just help support that. So what I want to do is actually cut this trim, because you can see it hangs down further. So I would either have to notch this board around here or cut this trim about here, and the board will go up tight to it. And I'm going to choose to cut this and the other side there. So if I put a piece of 3/4 up in that track right there, hold it tight to that trim, I can mark this, and that should give me an idea of how much I need to take off the trim. Hold it up, that line to the bottom of the trim, and I mark right here. That's what I want to take off. This is totally an optional step. If you left it like this, if your trim is like this, the only thing that will happen is this threshold will just move around and it won't be as stable as it could possibly be. Sneak my square in here. Hey, I can cut that. I'm going to use my favorite tool in the world, the oscillating tool, and very carefully cut this. Perfect. Now I just got to do the same thing on the other side. Basically got to go right here, almost to the top of the metal. Get this J-channel away if I can. This side, this railing's in the way, so I have to try and cut it straight. Let's see. Again, I don't want to go too deep here and hit this ice and water, so bring it off there and see if I can chisel the rest carefully. Now this piece will sit just like that. Awesome.